We're on the loop day of Bragg 2026.
Yay, Bragg 2026!
Yeah, and we're here at Perpetual Motion Bicycles, and we got the dream team here. We're going to take a little special route. At least we'll see how far I can get. Jaden, how are you doing today? Well, that's good. That's good. Well, I'm going to go and get ready to ride some more and hope I don't run out of memory on this camera. And we can come back and visit the shop later if we got time. All right. This is a pretty good valley, but we climbed out of it. It's a great stop. Nice, shady. Good place to get a water break and some snacks. We got a little more climbing to do, but not too much. But it's supposed to be one of the highest spots around Carrollton. All right, well, here we go. Now we're at Farmer's High Grocery. Great parking places.
Hey, Kevin.
How's it going so far?
Good. Just got a video of me pushing the pull door.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah.
Yeah. I happened to read the instructions.
Oh no, it worked.
Oh, it did?
It worked. The instructions
are
misleading. See, look.
Oh, look at that. You pushed it and it open.
I think they got them on the wrong side.
Maybe they did.
I think they got it.
Maybe they did.
But watch this. Watch this.
Okay. All right. Try it.
See, watch this. This actually works.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty good. Perfect.
Sorry, we're just fine enjoying something.
Yeah, it's funny.
All the joy and the beautiful scenery.
Yeah, out here.
The beautiful ducks.
It's amazing. Here at Farmer's High Grocery.
Everybody has, it takes a village.
Yeah, it does.
Coach Atiba with his philosophical philosophy.
Wait a minute, that's what
Philosophical.
Yep. There you are.
With his naturalistic, naturistic.
Yeah.
I'm not a naturist.
No.
Very different. Young person.
Wow, good deal.
Coach Philip with his bombastic grandpa mix of coaching.
There you go.
And Coach Anita.
There she is.
She can reach the belt line from her porch with a switch.
Whoa.
She can catch you.
Man, that's
She can
something
catch you
else.
with a switch.
Uh-oh.
All the way from her porch. Whether you're on the belt line or on the road.
I love it. I love it. All right, well, we'll
And
be...
Coach Kev always rock steady. That's Mr. Rock Steady.
Yeah, I'm trying. I can get a reflection in the mirror. That's about all I can do.
Coach Kev came up with the slogan, always Clayton. Always be Clayton. Clayton be Clayton.
Yeah, that's it.
Listen, Clayton welcomes the world every day. People say Atlanta, but it's Clayton.
It is Clayton County.
Clayton is the busiest airport in the world.
You know, they used to have on the license tags, they used to have the number of the county, and Clayton County was always county number 13.
Oh,
Really?
It
Lucky
was.
number.
Yeah, Fulton County was number 1, but Clayton was 13.
So this may be, I don't know, is this the first time we went unsupported on a supported ride?
You know, we are kind of going off on a little bit different route, aren't we?
We made our own route to celebrate Carrollton's own bicycle shop celebrating their 30th anniversary. And that's Miss Mickey at, what's the name of the bike shop? Perpetual Motion.
Yeah, not Bookends. Not Bookends. Bookends is closed.
Right. So she's weathered the storm for 30 years. I mean, that's amazing. Bike shops are like, hey, for 30 years and still.
It is. She's got to be doing good customer service to do that.
She really is.
Yeah.
So back in the day, when I started riding as a kid, like Assad, how old are you? 12. I used to eat a lot of junk food when I was a kid his age.
Yeah.
Ride my bike. The one thing I ate back then that was real nutritious, fuel for a bike ride. Fig Newtons.
True. True. Yep.
Big Newton's
Still doing it.
Big Newton's was big time.
That's the
back
original
then.
bike snack right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I still have 3 every day. Yeah. They're
I
great.
like the honey buns in there.
Ooh, oh, there you go.
Big Newtons, stay with me.
Big
Yeah.
Newton's is making a comeback. They started. I see they're more popular nowadays.
Yeah, they're
They
good.
put raspberry in them.
Yeah, they got all kind of different flavors now of them. That's good. Well, I'm gonna go back to eating. I got a snack sitting on the back of my bike, so I better get to eating. So we will see you further down the line,
All right.
and maybe we'll stop here again another time. Always
Thanks
like.
for being our filmmaker.
Oh, I hope they'll come out. All right, here we go.
That's fine.
Well, how was your ride today?
It was nice, amazing. So here in LaGrange, I'm joking. Here in Carrollton, we have a gym, everything. Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
So all our clothes
It's been
are going
nice.
together.
Now, how does the ride compare to the Century you did yesterday?
It was way more easier than the Century, of course.
That's good. That's good. All right. Well, let me let you go clean up, and we'll talk to you later on. And let's see if we got any other comments about today's ride. What'd you
Today's
think?
drive was awful. Leave me alone.
Oh no.
Oh wait, is that live?
Yeah. Well, it'll be on YouTube later.
I got a selfie with a llama. That's all I need to say.
Oh my God.
I got a selfie with a llama.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, it was a great ride.
Wow.
It really was.
It felt like a
And-
lot longer than 25 miles though.
Well, it wasn't a lot longer, but it was longer. And Assad killed
The
it.
rest of it is over there when you're ready.
Loved riding with him.
Wow,
I didn't
that's
ride
good.
today,
There
but
you
I'm
go.
still recovering from my Century yesterday.
Yeah, I
It
bet.
was a great ride.
That was
It was
something.
a great ride.
I'm real
But-
proud of y'all for doing that
Yeah, we
Century.
did. I'm a little stiff today, so
Yeah.
I took today as a rest day. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but we'll be ready for tomorrow.
And plus, you were a sag wagon driver today for one of our
Sagwagon driving
riders.
today had to get 2 pickups.
Yeah.
And they weren't close, but that's okay.
They weren't, no, because we rode really far to get to where
Yeah,
we went
yeah.
to. So yeah, that was a long drive, even a long drive.
It was. It definitely was.
All right, well, we'll let you go for now. And
this is
thanks so
the-
much.
This is my coach, and my coach ain't ride with me
Not today,
today.
because they take the young new ones out, and you
I
ride
mean,
with Coach
he coulda
Phillip,
rode.
and you ride
But-
with Coach Atiba.
Yeah.
And take a look at the new recruits and just kind of see how you're, coming along. And hopefully it was a good ride for you.
It was.
It sure was. And I got to polish off my map reading skills. Hey, there you are.
Good. That's good.
All right, well, we'll see y'all later.
Take care. Kevin.
All right, bye-bye
Appreciate
now.
it. Bye.
Coach Anita, we'll talk to you later.
Oh yes, I'm just going to the bus. I'm not going washing. I'm going to wash what I need washed right here in the sink and hang it up.
Perfect.
All right.
Thanks for riding with me.
No, thanks, Coach Kevin, for being who you are always.
Oh, thank you.
Having a map that I didn't even think to get,
Ooh,
so we could get unlost.
we got unlost. That's a good word. I like that. All right, well, here we go. Well, it's Thursday morning, and you can't see the police car, but they're leading the riders out. That's the main group. There we go, if I can aim. But yeah, people are getting an early start because they have a long way to go. They have to go all the way to Trilith in Fayette County, and here we are in Carroll County. So let's see if we can find the dream team, see how far along they are. Well, we found the dream team all right. They're doing the stretching exercises. So yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
All right. We're on the dream team and we're on the Greenbelt. It's good to see y'all. I want to hear some more about that Europe trip. It sounds like an amazing time. Yeah, I like the jersey. That is really good. All right. So here we go. We got just about everybody together and we're waiting for a signal. And I thought, this is my chance. I can finally get a shot of everybody together. So,
Which way are we going? We're going to go stay on the trail for about 49 minutes.
All right, well, I better put the camera away, and this may be the last we see of everybody. So enjoy, and safe miles to everybody.
Thank you, Coach.
All right, you're most welcome.
We appreciate you coming out.
All right.
And lay on over on the layover.
It was great. It was great. It was challenging, but it was great.
I'm so glad you could help Christian not celebrate his birthday.
What?
That was a big deal.
That was something else. Yeah, that was funny.
Rolling.
All right, we'll see y'all. Enjoy. God bless y'all. Safe miles to you.
Hey, Kevin.
All right, later now. And there they go. And maybe I'll follow them, but I probably won't stay green long enough. Yeah, see, it's changing. All right, hopefully they have a safe ride to Trilith. Well, we sure were made to feel welcome here at Carrollton High School, the home of the Trojans. We have all left. Of course, as you saw earlier, all the riders are gone. I did the Greenbelt. It took me a long time, but I did the whole thing. So anyway, time to head back east, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.